Do you know many people are having trouble with enabling smart cruise control in their Hyundai Ioniq 5? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare vehicle. Firstly, ensure the vehicle is started, the gear is in drive, and all doors are closed. Step 2. Activate system. Press the driving assist button on the steering wheel to activate the smart cruise control system. Step 3. Set speed. Adjust the cruising speed using the plus or switch on the steering wheel. Step 4. Set distance. Customize your following distance with the vehicle distance button for safe driving. Step 5. Monitor and adjust. Stay alert and monitor. Cancel if necessary by pressing the driving assist button again or applying the brakes. By following these steps, you should now be able to use Smart Cruise Control confidently. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Hyundai users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.